Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another interesting DIY on perfume jacket. So you're going to learn how to do it yourself, and the material we need for this perfume jacket today is going to be this African print, as you can see, and we're going to need this polyester perfume padded, and we need a lining for it. So those are the three things we need. Then I'm going to choose one layer. 40 by 60 is a very big 1 meter of a lining. Yeah, 40 by 60. I'm going to keep this aside, and this is 1 meter as well. It's very big. I hope it's enough for this project. It's the same thing, 40 by 60. That's, and I'm just going to take 2 yards off. Okay, or I just take the widest. This is the front. I'm going to mark from the, so I'm going to start from the shoulder. The shoulder measurement is 16 divided by 2, we have 8 inches, and I'm still going to add 1 inch shoulder because it's a jacket, so I'm making 9 inches. From the neck weight, I'm going to take 3 inches, because we're going to have a collar. Okay, I make it 3.5. It's a big piece here. I make it 3.5 here, and the neck depth I'm going to take, yes, same 3.5. Okay, from the angle here, I go up with I go in by 1 inch, then I connect it like this, and from the back depth I take 1 inches, then I connect it like this. So the folded part is going to be the back. Okay, I'm going to take 10 inches. As shoulder to bust, I take 12 inches, which is this. And from shoulder to waist, 17. Yeah. And the shoulder to hips, I take, yeah, I'm going to take 25 inches. No, 24 inches is okay because she's not that tall. I'm going to input the body measurements. We've taken first measurement is 44 divided by 4, we have 11 here. 11, then we have 2 inches, which is 13. Yeah, no, let me have 1.5 inches. 11 plus 1.5 inches, 12, 1.5 inches, so we have 12.5 here. 12.5. The waist measurement we have for 3 divided by 4, we have 10.75 plus 1.5 inch, 10.75. Add 1 inch plus sewing allowance half inch, so we have 11.75 here. 11.75, put it there. And the hips measurement is 46. 46 divided by 4, we have 11.5 plus 1 inches, we have 12 plus sewing allowance half inches, we have on the hips. Okay, Yeah, so the length of this jacket is going to be 4 in. So I take 4 in, 2 inches. The length is 40 plus 2 inches hemming allowance we have 42. So we have 42 here. We've input the measurement. So the front hemming allowance will take it 2 inches off. I have 2 inches here. I'm going to mark it out. Then we cut. So now we're going to do the cut-ins. So we need to cut. I'm going to take the shoulder slope from here. I go down by 1 inch. So now I connect it with the shoulder slope. So now I'm going to cut that off. Yeah. Connect the measurements together so that I can cut that place. So from the hips, I'm going to take it down, straight down. Okay. So for this, I'm going to use this for the darts, 1 each dart. So I'm going to add 1 each to it for the dart. I'm going to take the nipple to nipple measurement, which is 9. So I'm going to take 4.5 all the way from the chest line. From the chest line, I'm going to go down by 1 inch. Then I mark the straight line, mix it together. That is the 4.5. From the waistline, I'm going to take ½ inches from both sides. So we are creating the dart now. So I connect it from the bust like so. Connect the other one like that. Then go to the hips. Now we go up by 1 inch. So connect it with the waist. Same thing. Connect with the waistline. So this is the back dart, because this is the back. So the same thing going to apply to the front. Back off. This is the front. I connect the lines together. This is the waistline. This is the hips line. So let me take that ½ inch off, 2 inches off the front before I start marking my nipple to nipple measurement. So I take it down. I take the 2 inches off from the front on the. So I'm going to take 4.5. Same thing I do to the back, 4.5. Then I connect it together. This is the chest line, like this. I'm going to, from the middle, from the waist, I'm going to take ½ inches the way I did to the back, both sides. Then I connect it with from the hips line. I connect it like this. So I need to put that on this to make it fit. Okay. So now from the armhole, I'm going to take the half of armhole. I'm going to take 4.5 here. I divide it to 2. This is, okay, let me see, yeah, 9 inches. I divide it to 2. I take 4.5, then I go in by half inches, like this. This is the front. Connect it, go in like this. So I'm going to cut that place off. So now the half inches, I'm going to connect it with the, you can use ruler to do it, but I'm just trying to like this. To cut the 0.5 off. The bust line, I'm going to go down by half inches from the front. Therefore the waist line, I'm going to extend it down because I'm going to cut it. So from the waistline, I'm going to go up by 1 inch as well. So I connect the 4.5 to the length because I'm going to cut everything. The front armhole like this. Okay. So now I'm going to cut this all the way down, and I'm going to take those, I'm going to cut it like this from the middle. So from this half inch from the waist, the half inch, we're going to take those parts off. So I cut it, then I cut it straight down. Inches I had to it, that is what we're going to use to sew this together. So now I'm going to cut the middle part. So that is it. So this is going to be the front. So we're going to sew it like this to get the fitting. So now with all done, now I'm going to cut the lining. I'm going to use the back to cut the lining, and this is how I'm going to arrange the, this is how I'm going to arrange it. And so take this aside first, the back pattern. So I'm going to open this, then I place the back side.
Definitely.
This is the right side of the fabric, and we need to, I need to take measurements of, so taking the measurement down 3 inches down. Let's put it together. make the line straight. Okay, so guys, this is the line, is all done. Now I'm going to top stitch everything, so I'll be right back. And the same thing is going to apply to the rest patterns. Okay, going to follow the lines. Yes, I'm going to follow the lines. I'm going to make the stitches like that. Turn it to 3, turn it to 3, then so now I need to make it very fast. Jacket, and it's finished. This is the zip. Sorry guys, I couldn't show you when I was putting everything together because there's a lot of work to do. This is the jacket's 3D pockets. That's 3D pockets. So I need to take the full video. So I need to so this is the finish. Everything is all done. The color, you can put it down if you want. Wow. Thank you for watching. Bye. So it has 3D pockets. It's not mine. I could have put it on for you guys to see. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.